Hey folks, just a word of advice. If you have a car, this is a Honda, that has that green light flashing and your car doesn't start, guess what that green key means? It's your ignition key. And if you happen to hand me over an ignition key fob that looks like this with black tape on it, you know that the transponder is probably in there and it's damaged or it fell out. And this is why it doesn't start. And if it does start, it'll only start for a little bit and then it'll shut right off. Okay, because it needs to see this. This is like an anti-theft key. When you stick it in there, the car needs to know that this is the right key. See it flashing? And that's the problem. If you have that and your key fob looks like that, it's time for a new key fob and then it has to be programmed to it. Okay, let's see if it starts. See, it won't start. Because computer thinks you got the wrong key and it feels very light. So I don't know, whatever was in here, if there was a circuit board and a battery in there, it is not there no more. That could be your problem. All right. Thanks for watching.